dining on the worms, beetles and caterpillars in your garden. Hedgehogs are a gardener's friend, but they are a protected species, vulnerable to extinction. So, how can we make our gardens safe, comfortable and attractive? Hedgehogs like to travel and can cover up to 2 kilometres a night searching for food and a mate. Garden fences act as barriers, so create a 13 by 13 centimetre hole in your fence or wall to allow hedgehog access. If you share a boundary with a neighbour, remember to check they're happy and encourage them to expand the highway too. Find a quiet area in your garden, out of the way of humans and any curious pets. Consider turning part of your garden over to wildlife. Hawthorns attract caterpillars, a hedgehog favourite. Tall grasses provide cover to hide in, and bee-friendly flowers also encourage tasty insects to eat. Build or buy your own hedgehog barn for them to hide or sleep in. They may even use it to hibernate. Position the barn away from feeding areas where other predators may be. When cleaning the barn, just use water to keep your hedgehogs healthy and unwanted wildlife away. Hedgehogs hunt using smell and sound to find their prey, but they will always appreciate an easy meal. Set up a hedgehog feeding station with a shallow dish of water and a plate of meat-based wet cat or dog food, or dry cat biscuits, or buy specialist hedgehog food. Sunset is the perfect time for feeding, when hedgehogs are waking up. Clear up after they've left, or other wildlife may take up the invite instead. Avoid mealworms, milk and bread, which can upset stomachs and cause ill health. Place food and water in a box to protect them. Cut an entrance just big enough to allow the hedgehogs in and to keep larger animals out. Hedgehogs are great swimmers, and they also need water in hot weather, but they may need help to get out of your pond. You shouldn't try to handle them, so build a hedgehog walkway with step stones or a ramp. Use non-toxic wood paints in your garden and use non-chemical ways to ward off slugs. Hedgehogs can easily get tangled in netting, so tie up any football nets when they're not in use. If you have pets, create a barrier to keep curious dogs away. Always check bonfire piles before lighting, as hedgehogs love a leaf bed. And finally, don't leave robotic mowers unsupervised overnight and check long grass before strimming. Make your garden hedgehog friendly. And if you see a friendly hedgehog, help track their population on Hedgehog Street's big hedgehog map.